जो देश है स्वदेश है मेरा, ये जो बंधन जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता।
फिर से कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी। ये जो
देश है मेरा,
स्वदेश है मेरा,
मुझे
है पुकारा।
How much are you going to pander, Abhish? P-A-A-N-D-E-R-I-N-G.
In my head I was like पांडुरंग। हमने जब की है तो फिर ऐसे मोहब्बत की है।
Oh.
He didn't ask you the question.
Yes!
इश्क की गलियों में आके घूम।
Oh, झूम बराबर झूम।
You guys are wild.
They were right about the audience beating us.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Film Game Show. The show went through Bollywood acumen and knowledge to figure out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They're both comics, they're both writers. First up, we have Tarang Hardikar!
Let me just say, I'm here to demolish Abhish Mathew, a comedian who claims to have Bollywood knowledge that I have never seen ever in my life before. What a liar and a hypocrite. Over to you.
Also joining us, Abhish Mathew!
I'm just here to tell you that Taran Hardikar is nothing but a faku. He loves Lord of the Rings. How are you going to give me facts about Hey Baby?
You know, it is crazy he said, hey baby, and I'll leave it at that. You'll understand as you go on in the episode. Okay. You never know now. What's going to happen? Is there going to be a baby that's going to show up?
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Also Tarang's favorite pickup line. Hey baby.
It works.
And that's it. That's all it takes.
Sometimes it works.
For Tarang Hardikar. Okay, awesome. Nice. How's it going, guys? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Both of you have done a version of the show before, and thank you so much for being back again. Please, why not? Why not? Why not? Before we start, what is the most recent Hindi Bollywood film that you've seen in theaters or Netflix, whatever? What is the most recent one? Starting with Tarang.
Recent one, I keep watching this every year. It's called Khichdi the movie.
Nice.
It's probably my favorite Bollywood film I've ever seen in my life. I think it's ahead of its time.
Yeah, for sure.
And some of the jokes are so good. It's like John Cleese-esque.
Do you have a favorite from the movie, the moment or
okay,
joke?
Yeah, I have a favorite moment. Okay, so there's a phone that rings, and Hansa was one of the characters. She goes and answers it, and he's like, "Phone hai," and then the Babuji will be like, "Kiska hai?" He'll be like, "Babuji, ye hamara phone."
That's a great.
Incredible joke.
That's a great.
Incredible.
Joke. Nice. Okay, awesome. So Khichdi, great,
Yeah.
great. Abhish.
Recently I saw this movie called Koi Mil Gaya.
You saw it
Indian
recently?
movie. Yeah, I was on a European trip with my wife and she said, "You've not seen
Koi
Koi Mil Gaya?" So in an Airbnb in Luxembourg, instead of going outside, she
You
made me
wasted
watch.
time. You wasted a hotel room.
And then for the entire evening I was like,
मेरी शक्ति में गलत इस्तेमाल हुआ है वहाँ.
yeah, she said I sound like Scooby-Doo.
Hey, Raggy. That's exactly right.
So that's my latest film.
Fuck, I just realized you're so right. The entire movie Hrithik is doing a Scooby-Doo impression. That is hilarious. Oh man, great. So you saw Koi Mil Gaya recently.
Recently I saw Koi Mil Gaya.
What do you think of it?
I think it's. I think this movie should have been released back in 2000s, early 2000s. I don't know why in 2025 this movie didn't hold the relevance to represent specially abled aliens.
Right.
Or
I really like how they've CGI'd Hrithik's abs in this movie.
Yeah.
That's the new thing. No. Okay. Because in 2025 they CGI all the abs. By the way, this thing.
Really?
Yeah. Oh wow. Yes. Nice.
Sorry guys, this is a different kind of Hindi movie.
Yeah. I'll get.
This is the
yeah,
item
yeah.
number of the show.
I'll get my graphic artist to draw on that on Abhish's stomach.
What have I done?
How much are you going to pander, Abhish?
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Tarang, Abhish, we're gonna get started with the show. Okay. That was it, guys. Abhish had a 9:30 out. Okay, we're gonna start with the games.
Yeah, let's do
Before
it.
we start with the games, as you all know, and if you guys remember, you guys are fighting for something.
Yeah.
Something of utmost importance.
Okay.
Ooh, brown bag.
Yeah, I want my brown bag, man.
Brown bag.
Brown bag, brown bag.
It's my brown bag.
My brown bag.
How dare you?
I am brown.
I'm a connoisseur. What?
You're a connoisseur of brown.
You guys are fighting
Yeah.
to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah. Woo! Yes, fans of the title, fans of the title. What this title allows you is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood.
Right.
Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again.
Oh, wow.
Okay? Like say you are at an event and Tapsi Pannu's at that event.
Yeah.
Okay? And you are close enough that you can smell her. Okay? And you're like, she asks you, hey, so how's my perfume? Since you can actually smell me, how's my scent? How do I smell? You're like, you're okay. But you know who's the best is Aishwarya Rai. And you can say that because you are the biggest Bollywood Badshah. And your opinion is final opinion. Regardless.
You have no idea. That image in my head. How do I? That's my retirement.
Yes.
Being able
Smelling
to go
Aishwarya
up to
and
different
those-
actors,
Yes.
regardless gender, because I believe in creeping all genders.
Yes.
And go up to them and say, you know what, Tarang? Antariksh's perfume is better.
No, but
I
that's
wouldn't
just truth.
But yeah, I'll reach out to Tapsi.
My
and
perfume
be
is
like,
better. His regular body odor is better, guys. Come on.
Yeah, no.
He
Why are you
doesn't need a
clapping for
perfume.
body odor?
What is this, guys?
This feels very sympathetic to a cause.
Yeah. Oh, I've decided my cause.
Yes. Today we are doing something. Tarang and Abhish have very nicely decided to dedicate their winnings today to a cause, a very important charity. Tarang, what are you?
I want to dedicate it's a cause called the Inconvenient Residents of Bandra.
Nice.
It's a very serious cause. People in Bandra are getting.
They are inconvenient or they
No,
have
no,
been inconvenienced?
they are getting slightly inconvenienced.
Oh, okay.
And
So
we-
inconvenienced.
Inconvenienced Bandra people.
But the charity is called Inconvenient. Bandra.
Inconvenient.
I like it.
And inconvenienced was few more alphabets, and that
Nice.
was inconvenient.
Yeah, nice.
So we had to
Very cool. You do live in Bandra, if I'm not wrong.
I'm
You head this charity?
because of this charity. I had
Because you have
I had to move into Bandra.
That's the only way
Yeah.
they accept me.
Yeah, they do.
Dude, everyone knows this. Whoever's staying in Bombay, Bandra is especially fucked.
Yeah.
Right now.
Because-
Is that part of why the qualms that you have about inconvenience in Bandra?
Oh man.
Like talking roads wise, construction wise, right? Or you just inconvenience in general?
Like sometimes like you don't find a book that you wanted.
And you're inconvenienced.
Like, you know that time when you ordered for a macchiato,
Yeah.
but then a frappuccino came in,
Oh my
and
God.
then I was like, yucks.
Okay.
What an andheri thing to do to me.
Quick thing again. Just before the show started, this literally happened with Abhish and me, where Abhish and I went to take coffee. He was like, I was like, can I get you some free coffee? He's like, yeah, I would love a black coffee. I take it out, press the button, and only water comes out.
Chandivali mein garam pani ko coffee bolte hain.
The coffee also takes 2 hours to get here.
Okay, can I say something? This is just milk. I've been trying to find the coffee in this for a very long time. But it's just milk, and I've realized I like milk actually.
Dude, I must say, I put like 4 spoons of sugar in that. I don't know whether you take sugar or
So
not.
it's sugar milk.
Mind if I have
Yeah, go for it.
Nice, sugared milk, guys. Congrats. Guys, there's great sugared milk in the cafeteria.
It's good.
It's got the flavor of my coffee water
Okay.
with a lot of milk in it.
Okay. Very cool. Let's go, guys.
Let's do
the
it.
games it is. Woohoo! Woo! All right. Guys, the first game we're going to be playing. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Oh.
See, again, some people, they remind. Thank you.
So they are all producers on the show.
Yeah, correct. They all get listed now. Yes, correct. Moving on. Amish, what charity are you playing for today, man?
I am playing for the PAA,
Okay.
They are this organization that I support for poor Antariksh's audience.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Huge cause.
I feel the trauma is real.
Yeah, for sure.
I feel like
Abhish, I sense another PAA. It's a PAANDERING.
I did not follow his spelling.
Pandering.
Pundaring, yaar, pundaring.
In my head, I was like, Pandurang. That doesn't sound right.
Can you all be Pandurang for
Pandurang.
the next
Pandurang.
Yeah.
From the back to the front.
Yeah.
What's your name? Good
Pandurang
that's-
Antariksh Association.
That's my
Awesome.
organization, and I would like to dedicate all the winnings
Yes.
to each and every member here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
1,200 people are here, guys. Yes. Very good. Abhish is going to take a while counting. I was like, let me help him out.
Correct, yeah. But
Very
yeah,
cool.
that's my organization, man.
Okay, awesome. So huge causes, guys, the best causes. Okay, very cool. Important causes. Sorry. So that is the thing where we do try to light it, and it will be. So, you have to switch it on from the bottom. Uski gaad mein ungli karni padegi, and there's like a thing, and it'll be on for now. But within half an hour, every episode it goes off.
So should we just switch it off?
No, keep it on, man. And you can change colors. Yeah, that's what you do. But yeah, it's almost like magic. Shit, Tarak became white. Oh, this is what Michael Jackson used to do. Alright, let's go, guys. Fucking awesome. Let's go. The first game we're gonna be playing is called Bollywood in Jeopardy. Okay, how this game works is I will read out the plot description of a very popular mainstream film, and you guys have to buzz in with a unique sound that you make with the mouth each time, the mouth buzzer.
Okay.
You have to buzz and tell me what the movie is, but you have to say the answer in the form of a question. If you don't ask it as a question, this is Jeopardy. If you don't ask it as a question, I catch you on it. I will let the other person steal, even though you might have been right.
Got it.
Okay, let's go. Easy enough. Can I know, Tarang, what your buzzer will be?
Oh.
That's an inconvenience banter. That's what inconvenience banter people the sound like.
Oh, it's like a ghost. Old ghost.
Ghost having a meltdown.
Abhish.
Mine's gonna be.
Great. That was 10 years if you guys are counting. Yeah. All right, let's go. First one. Keep your buzzer ready. 3 bachelors who are compulsive womanizers find their lives turned upside down. I'll finish the question, but you can answer first, Avish. 3 bachelors who are compulsive womanizers find their lives turned upside down when a baby is left at their doorstep. The trio suspect each other of being the father. What movie could this possibly be? Tarang still has no idea.
Huh? Hey, you must.
It's 3 Men and a Baby. Hindi version.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Oh.
He didn't ask you the question.
Yes! Ah!
Oh shit.
Ah! That's all.
Oh, nice.
Is it Hey Baby?
It is
People in band are
Yes.
happy for the win.
Thank
Wait, I just also Abhish kicked that curtain and I realized I didn't spread the curtain.
Live podcast.
It's all good. It's all good. You make it work.
I feel like you need to look at the graphs of last year. You're not performing well.
I think this is the CMO and HMO and the head officer's visitor.
Nice.
Antariksh,
Guys, 3 bachelors who are
3 bachelors who are compulsive womanizers seem like the panel on this show.
No, I'm happily married.
Hello, you need to still be a womanizer to one woman. No, you stop giving effort or what? यही problem होता है marriage के बाद effort ही नहीं मारते हैं.
Nice.
उसने मुझसे पूछो मैं 2 बार
Yeah, that's true. Shit, I just look like a bad husband now. That's all I could. That's all. Okay, let's go. That was full points for Tarang Hardikar. That's so funny. 5 points for Tarang. Let's go. The next one is as follows. Call center workers receive a phone call from God. Yes, sir. Abhish?
It's in my head.
Yes, that's
I don't know the name of the movie.
Okay.
But I will frame it in a question.
Okay.
Is it that Chetan Bhagat book with Salman Khan as a featuring, and it is called Night at a Call Center in the book, but in the Hindi movie it must be some like Chamkili Badan or something or like Raat Ko Bhagwan.
It's too long a question.
Yeah. I didn't hear a question.
Yeah, I explained. Why don't you slam dunk?
Tarang, anything?
That's it. All right. Is it Raat at a call center?
Yes. Okay. You know what? I'll give you a hint.
Yeah.
What do you say when you get a call?
Hi.
Hello God.
So the
Nahi
movie's
chahiye.
name would be.
Nahi chahiye. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, it's something hello. I know. Dash hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
What? Don't eyes. Mouth also.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Abhish didn't ask her the question again.
Is it? We were saying it all this while. I think this is a group effort.
Nice. But Tarang, if you want to take it.
Yeah, I mean he said it, right?
But he
I
get to
did
steal
ask
it
a
because he
question.
didn't ask her the question.
Oh, is it hello?
Yes, it is.
Oh my God! How could it be?
That's half points because I gave a hint. Sorry, Abhish.
no
I feel very betrayed by myself.
Yes. That's what happens every time. You know, like people get really passionate and then they say the answer without asking the question, and
Yeah.
that's why this game exists. All right, next one. Buzzers are ready. When a family builds a shrine for Dash, a monster who is never to be worshipped, and attempts to get their hands on his cursed wealth, they face catastrophic consequences.
This sounds like a story of my family wealth and an uncle.
Oh, so I'm sorry, dude. That's serious familial problems you're going through, man.
Yeah.
A monster is your uncle.
Family builds a shrine for a Dash.
When a family builds, okay, sorry.
Yeah, that was my buzzer.
Yeah.
Is
Sorry, I
it-
thought you were just in pain. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Is it Tumbad?
It is Tumbad! Wow. Have you guys both seen Tumbad by the way?
I love Tumbad.
Too good.
Such a
This
good.
is that horror film, no?
Yes, absolutely. Correct.
Oh, yeah.
One with-
That came out just after lockdown. That was a good one.
No, just before lockdown.
No, it re-released in
Oh,
the.
no, yes.
Yeah, I
Re-release,
saw it
re-release.
on
Correct,
TV,
correct.
not on the thing.
Dude, yeah, what's crazy is that in its first run, people who saw it loved it, but not many people saw it. So it like really tanked at the box office. And then in its re-release, because it already amassed such a cult following, it fucking surpassed the movies that were playing in theaters, which were new at that time. It's crazy. So, like
It's
it made its
incredible.
budget back, like in like the first day of its release, something like that, some crazy thing like that.
Imagine that I saw Tumbad before Koi Mil Gaya.
Koi Mil Gaya.
Yeah, very similar movies.
I after Koi Mil Gaya, I came back to Bombay and then I saw Jaane Bhi Do Yaro.
Oh wow! Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm
but I
going
think
in
a
reverse.
lot of people haven't seen Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. So
You
I
haven't
think
seen Jaane Bhi Do Yaro?
a lot of people here haven't seen. Yeah, for sure.
That's all I know. Good film.
Yeah, but yeah, epic film. Okay, great, good one. That was full points for Tarang right there. Very cool. We'll do one more, a couple more in this game. Childhood friends Dash and Dash aspire to take over the coal mafia. However, they fall in love with the same woman Dash, which leads to a rift forming between the two. Yes,
Is it Gunde?
it is good. Yes. Now, guys,
I thought it was Adani and Ambani.
quick thing. It is crazy that Abhish got this movie wrong because of AIB knockout. They were Gunde. They were literally promoting this movie at AIB knockout.
They were?
Yeah,
Who was acting? in this
Ranveer
movie?
and Arjun Kapoor, bro.
They were in good. Isn't this Shahid Kapoor?
The roast.
I know what I have done in my
Yes,
career.
this is that. This is
But I
all
didn't
that.
know they came to promote. I was
Oh, wow.
there. They were there. Have fun.
Yeah, I just hang out with these guys every day, man. It's fucking. मेरा रोज का उठना बैठना है.
Gunde. Yes.
Excuse
in
me, go
case
back.
you-
What is Tarang's
in
photo
case you-
doing there?
Hey, You don't have to look at my chest hair.
Tarang
Yeah.
is in LGBTQ terms a bear.
Okay.
This is a bear
Right.
slide.
I just
Yeah.
want to understand something
Yes.
anatomically from the rest of you.
Yeah.
Can you explain why there is more hair here
That-
than
Yeah.
here? I feel
You're right.
it's not fully gone. It feels like representation.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
And
It
but the
feels
rest
like-
of it fully out.
It feels like if this drops, there will be a line of hair that just stops. It's like a border of hair.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you should see his back. It's crazy. Nice. Nice. Can we all just do this at this time?
Thumbnail.
Nice thumbnail. All right. Next one. That was good. Yes. Next one and the last one in this game. A young man lands in the land of little people who ask him to save them from their enemies. Yes, sir.
It's Gilgamesh's travel in the original story. So the Hindi movie of that was Arre Gilgamesh! किधर जा रहे हो तुम? Part Dvitya.
You are very close. Yes. But you're not.
It's
But you're right about the movie. This is not the name.
Shut up! I know. I got
Hey,
it.
you can't help. What the hell? You can't help, dude.
I know it's Gulliver's, not sorry, not
Gilgamesh.
Gilgamesh. It's Gulliver's travel.
Yeah.
But isn't Gilgamesh has a similar story? in the
Legend
middle?
of Gilgamesh.
Never mind. The movie, of course, what I was going for is this is Jeopardy, no?
Yeah.
Is it Jajantram Mantram?
Yeah. Yes. Nice. Nice.
Since some kind of collaboration happened.
Tarang, you
Yeah.
can
It's a
also.
paid partnership.
Okay, I can also do that.
Tarang, you can also call a friend. It's okay.
Okay.
I'll let you do that.
Who's my friend? Anybody.
You can also, by the way, we do this. You can absolutely call a comedian friend and ask them for an answer if you think they will know an answer coming up in the game.
Okay.
That's allowed also. Okay, so there's this Jajantram Mamatam, also known as Jajantram's Travels.
I want to find out if my Gilgamesh fact is correct or not.
Someone, can you look this up? Gilgamesh? Kirti, can you look this up? Gilgamesh what?
I know that there is a legend of Gilgamesh.
Yes,
but
there is.
I don't know
But
if
I don't know what the legend is.
That has anything to do with Gulliver.
I think, I don't know, I want to find out if Gilgamesh inspired the Gulliver's travel. Gilgamesh is a character from mythological.
Gilgamesh, yaar.
Arey, Gilgu.
Gilgu.
Gilgu, yaar.
Gilgamesh Patel.
Arey, Ramesh's brother. That brings us to the end of this game. Very well done.
Thank you very
Very
much.
cool. No, Abhish, wait. Let's
Game or round?
Game. This round and the game. We have multiple more games left. Yes, sir.
After game 1, Abish is at 5.
Woo!
Tarang is on 17.
17. Audience is
Audience also
yes.
scores.
The audience also scores.
Best
Whenever
one.
you guys don't get an answer, it throws to them. and they get
Oh.
Let me just say the 5 I got was already from audience only. So give it to
Should be
audience.
shared points. No, that's good.
Be careful what you share with Abish.
All right, cool. So yes, by the way, it has happened on multiple episodes that the audience ends up beating one contestant, sometimes even both contestants.
Beating?
The
hell, man?
Yes,
अभी
sir.
हम कार से भाग के यहाँ
Just
चांदी
because
वाली
we
सेब
came
के लिए
late.
आया हूँ.
Full on. Let's go. In case you guys have
Tarang?
Arey yaar!
This is
Also,
Tarang's
How
new.
many photos?
Guys, this is the opposite of the Akshay Kumar photo. If you remove the newspaper, that's the only place where hair is not there.
Can I just ask, in this
Yes.
photo,
Yeah.
the most interesting part is next to the beer, a fruit is kept.
Who's
Was
eating that fruit?
I feel what was happening was during a photo shoot, the photographer, okay, newspaper, acha, a beer, acha, apple.
Next game, guys. We're going to be playing. It's called Please Release These Correctly. How this game works is I will name 4 movies. I'll just ask you to name the correct order in which those 4 movies released. I don't need the year. I don't need the day of the week. None of that. Time of day. None of that. I just want the correct order in those 4 movies released. Okay. This is not a buzz around. Both of you will get a chance to take a stab at it. So the first question can start with Tarang and then go on to Abish. And the second question can start with Abish and then go on to Tarang. And if both of you are wrong, then it will throw to the audience.
Okay.
All right.
All the best. Get ready. It's coming to you.
Get ready. All right. Next, first one, starting with Tarang. Give me the correct order in which the Saif Ali Khan films released. A. Go Goa Gone. B. Agent Vinod. C. Tashan. And D. Salam Namaste.
Okay,
Tashan and Salam Namaste.
okay. All right.
Have you seen all these films?
None of them.
None of them. Bro, Go Goa Gone is a must watch, I would
Really?
say. Yeah.
It's a
absolutely.
zombie apocalypse
Yeah.
in Goa.
Yes, exactly right. Damn
I've
good.
heard about it. I will say Salam Namaste, Tashan,
Can you write this down? D. D.
Salam,
C.
D.
Yeah.
Salam Namaste, then C. Tashan, then A. Gogua Gone, then B. Agent Vinod.
Is that a complete guess? Are you like some educated guess? Is this? Or-
Yeah, I have had education. What do you mean, Antariksh? As in, I know that Go Goa Gone was recent. I know Agent Vinod was also recent because I saw him posing for it. And Tashan, the music
Tashan,
I remember
Tashan.
hearing, but Salam Namaste, I'm guessing is a very old one.
Sure. So Tarang was D, C, A,
AB.
B. D, C, A, B.
D, C,
D,
AB.
cab.
Yeah.
Abish, what do you think?
I'm about that CDAB life.
CDAB life. CDAB life.
It's beautiful. It's great. It's CDAB. It's AB.
CDAB, Tashan, Salam Namaste, then Goga Gone, and then Agent Vinod is what Abish is saying. The correct answer is DCBA, making Tarang slightly wrong. So nobody gets points there. Salam Namaste 2005, Tashan 2008, Agent Vinod 2012, and Goga Gone 2013.
Yeah.
Very good.
Did you all know? You knew? How
You
many?
guys knew it?
You knew, ma'am? Okay.
अब तो सब यही बोलेंगे ना यार.
I was gonna go with
Sorry, Tarang.
I was gonna go with exactly that order, but then I thought that it's just the same order in reverse. So I thought maybe you wouldn't do that, but you did that.
Yeah.
I feel a little laziness when it came to like listing it, or unless it was a googly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, Hey Baby did show up. That's also. What are the odds? All right, next one. Okay, tell me the correct order in which these sequel films were released. A. Dhoom 2, B. Dabangg 2, C. Dawn 2, D. Chris 3. Dhoom 2, Dabangg 2, Dawn 2, Chris 3. Starting with Abish.
Oh, my turn?
Yeah.
All right, let me analyze. Excuse me, Tarang, can you move your head back a little bit? Dhoom 2.
Dhoom
I
2.
know I felt very attractive during that movie, so I must have hit puberty. Dabangg 2. By that time, I had moved to Bandra, so that means I had a little bit of. Dawn 2. I don't remember. Krish 3 is technically Koi Mil Gaya 2.
Yes. Oh, Koi Mil Gaya 3.
3, but Krish 2.
Yes.
So I would like to. This is my wager.
It's also Kaho Na Pyar Hai 5, by the way.
Fucking आर्यभट्ट ने जीरो क्या इन्वेंट कर दिया हमको खुद मैच करना पड़ता है मूवी में. Okay.
Yeah, Ritik has 10 thumbs in this one. Every movie he increases one thumb. Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
I am going to go with AC. Sorry. Yeah, ACBD.
ACBD, Dhoom 2, Dawn 2, Dabangg 2, and Chris 3. All right, ACBD is what Abish went with. Tarang.
Yeah.
Yes.
I so okay. Hey, Dawn is the Shah Rukh Khan Dawn.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. And the
Amitabh Bachchan Dawn. There wasn't a Dawn 2 with Amitabh Bachchan. That's correct.
okay, so that is not counted in this counting of Dawns.
No, this is the new dawn.
The new Dawn. The
No,
Dawn.
So
the old
technically
Dawn.
it's Dawn 3. Yes, you're right.
It's a new dawn. It's dusk.
It should be Dhoom 2, Dabangg 2, Dawn 3, Chris 3. You're right. Yes, Tarang. Yes, you're right. Sorry,
Okay,
go ahead.
so I will say Dhoom 2, Dawn 2,
Dhoom 2, Dawn 2, AC,
Krish 3, Dabangg 2,
DB,
DB.
AC, DB, Dhoom 2, Dawn 2, Chris 3, Dabangg 2. So just remind me of the orders again.
Tarang is
ACDB,
ACBD.
ACBD, ACDB, ACDB, right? And AC, DB. Okay. The correct answer is ACBD, making Abish correct. Yes. Whoa. It was Dhoom 2 in 2006, Dawn 2 in 2011, Dabangg 2 in 2012, and Chris 3 2013.
Antriksh, you haven't realized. This is the second time I've come on your show. It's
Yes.
the first time I'm getting an answer right.
Yeah, whoa.
Last time I came
Yes,
in with
sure.
Ashish Shakya.
Shakya, yes, and he destroyed you, of course.
He didn't have to do much. I came pre-destroyed only.
Guys, big moment for Abish, guys. I think Abish, you can leave now. I think this is your peaked. You peaked out.
I feel like this is like gambling. I'm like, hit me.
All right, very cool. Okay, that brings us to the end of this game also. Very cool. Very much. Storming past these games. How much? Where do we stand? Let's go.
Still at 17.5.
17.5.
Now at 10.
Whoa, Avish!
Closing in.
All right, the next game, guys, very simple. It's called the name game. How this game works is I will name an actor or actress, and you have to one by one, name movies or songs of that actor or actress depending upon the question. Say the question is movies of Akshay Kumar, okay?
Oh.
Then Tarang will name one movie of Akshay Kumar.
Got it.
Abish will name one movie of Akshay Kumar.
Oh, I
And then
remember.
starting from the back, the audience will name one movie of Akshay Kumar.
I remember playing this last time. It was terribly stressful.
Yes, you
Yeah.
will notice I have knowing you guys' capabilities with Bollywood. Okay. I have gone with very easy.
You make it worse.
Yeah, you make it worse.
When someone is bad at something, making it easy doesn't help.
Guys, this is the most difficult version of the name game we've ever had. Let's see how you guys do. Starting with Tarang now, alright? Give me movies of Salman Khan. Movies of Salman Khan. Yes.
Dabang.
Yes, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
My turn?
Yes, your turn.
Dabang 2.
Absolutely right, sir. Kisi ka bhai, kisi ki jaan. But they don't say kiska. Kiska bhai, kiski jaan.
Tiger.
No, wrong.
हाँ? जिंदा है.
That's, oh, yeah, you got
Yeah,
it.
जिंदा है. मैंने कहा मरा थोड़ी है भाई. टाइगर जिंदा है.
Yes, nice, Avish.
Tere Naam, of course. All-time favorite.
Sir. Hello, brother.
What's up?
Nice. Tarang. You're doing Salman Khan acting. I like that.
Yes. Getting into
I like
character.
that. Very cool.
Uh,
You have 20 seconds each.
What
time.
is the cycling game? The cycling movie.
That is Amir Khan
Yes.
and it's called... But it's nice to know you put all Khans in one category. Cycling movie.
You know, I can help you.
हाँ.
What do you do with the football?
Kick.
Yeah, that's the way, yes.
Kick.
Yeah, correct. Kick is right. Avish, I'll help you also. Are you half thinking of a movie?
Yeah, I have one. Andaz Apna Apna.
Okay, you have one. Great, nice, right. Sir. Hamza Sat hai. Tarang.
तेरे नाम 2.
Tough luck, man.
Okay.
Maybe in a couple of years. Who knows? You have 20 seconds each time. You have about 12 seconds now.
My time goes
You have 6 seconds now.
The one with Katrina Kaif, man.
There are many.
Yeah. It's called Salman's Farmhouse. Hey, is anyone watching Big Boss? Is anyone watching Big Boss? Okay. You guys are... Praneeth More, a comedian, is on Big Boss season, the current season of Big Boss.
Oh, nice. I don't know.
Okay, it's also good. But Praneeth More has repeatedly made jokes on Salman, which, as all comedians do, because half of the show is based on that. Okay? Someone from the Big Boss team showed Salman these clips. Okay? So then he fucking took Praneeth's case on Big Boss, saying कि आपने मेरे बारे में मैंने देखा क्या क्या बोला. हाँ पर ठीक है मतलब आप अब मेरे बारे में बात करके अगर आपका करियर बन रहा है तो बनने दो. He's like he made himself the upper guy. He didn't have to. Everyone knows that's why people make jokes on Salman and then it's shareable. So that's what.
Wait.
Oh
so
no.
You can make a... Oh no. The
Yeah, he does do
water
that. Shit. Sorry.
Wait, our host is left. He's left. Welcome to Cinema Beach, guys. This is my only budget production I could do. Today our guest is Tarang. Tarang, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Doing good, man. Yeah.
Very good. Catch this. Great. That's the game show. Good night.
You know, you would think in all this time,
Yeah.
I would have thought of a movie. It's not like I've not been trying. This is how bad we are at Bollywood, Abish. The host has left us in a buzzer round where we're supposed to be fastest. Antariksh has gone, cleaned stuff, come back, And we still don't have the answer.
Hey, Tarang, I think your 6 seconds are up.
It was right there. I was so close.
Oh, shit. Alright. Abhish gets full points. Nice. Abhish and the audience, full 5 points.
I got it through Duckworth's Luth.
Alright, cool. Can you give me that, that thing?
I'm sorry.
Okay. That was full 5 points for Abhish and the audience. Tarang did not get any. The next one, starting with Abhish, then Tarang, and then it'll continue from Man there. Alright?
Okay.
Sing me songs of Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Abhish Matthew. Songs of Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh has not sung a song.
Thank you guys. Abhish is out.
What about the ones he sings in his bathroom?
Hey! Abhish, songs that he's been featured in.
Tu hai meri kiran.
Yes.
Tu hai me. The fact that these are the songs coming to my head, you know. When was the last time I saw a movie?
हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी छाव में कभी
Key
कभी
change, wow.
है धूप जिंदगी.
Dude, are you that tone deaf? Are you really that tone deaf?
छाव में
Dude, that is
कभी
amazing.
कभी है धूप.
I have never heard someone sing Har Ghadi Badal Rahi Hai.
I didn't put effort. Okay, I didn't know I had to sing.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
मैं तो नहीं रहता भाई तरंग भाई मैं तो चले जाता विनर मैं बन जाता पर तुम चले.
We'll wait for the next song, Tarang has to say. Ma'am. Ma'am, are you that tone deaf? Abhish. You have 20 seconds, huh? Unless I drop something again.
Can someone give him coffee? It's in my head. It's there. Lots of them. Hold on.
Sure, yes.
Silence.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Thinking.
A quick tip would be think of any Shah Rukh Khan film and then songs from that film will be much easier because then you can just run down songs.
Yeah, if you know his films, what the hell? That's the toughest thing.
What?
I'm going by action and trying to say which action was it. Which is that one in the with Kajol inside, like that yellow sari and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, which one was that? Oh no! Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, 100% there are songs.
Yes.
Incredible.
No,
Abhish, incredible.
You might.
Le jayenge, Dilwale.
So the thing is, this is not an actual song
Oh no?
on the album. It's just like a throwaway line because they had to justify the title of the movie.
Dare you
Yeah.
say, you know, music director sang, they got a singer,
No,
there
they
was
didn't.
lyrics written.
This was Shah Rukh himself in the movie.
Yeah, so I'm right.
So Shah Rukh has sung a song, guys.
Oh my God.
Also, he has
Double
sung
points.
Apun Bola Tu Meri Laila sung by Shah Rukh. Fuck, how do I not catch that?
Apun bola tu meri lela.
That's sung by Shah
Apun
Rukh.
bola tu meri lela.
I feel
10 points.
this is rigged.
Wow, I got so excited. I got so excited. Sorry, I helped you with the previous question. I helped you with kick. It's okay.
Okay.
Preparing.
चक दे ओ चक दे इंडिया इंडिया चक दे ओ चक दे इंडिया इंडिया
Available
Nowhere
for
to
birthday
run,
parties.
nowhere to hide. Ma'am. इंतजार में हूँ ना.
one, no?
Yes, nice.
The right swipe of the hair.
Everyone, let's do it together.
I don't know. You know this? Nice.
Okay, that's definitely getting cut out.
Never have I lip synced a whistle.
Yeah. That's a first. That's a first. We are breaking all kinds of norms. Dude. Mehuna ma'am said. Yes, Abhish.
चल छैया 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 चल ई छैया मार छैया चल छैया 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 चल छैया छैया छैया. There is another song. चल
No.
छैया छैया छैया. That'll be a different song also.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Tung 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 tung.
Crazy frog.
Ding 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 ding.
मुझको
ding, ding.
पहचान लो मैं हूँ डॉन.
So. Dard disco, dard disco, dard disco. Running crazy.
I would love to see this.
I like
online.
Tarang is lip syncing this one. Abhish.
That's a good song. That was.
It's good. He was doing vocal
Yeah.
exercises. At Mannat,
You're doing your scales. Whatever.
Alap,
Alap.
alap.
Thank
Sorry,
you.
I should do it differently, like Shah Rukh Khan. Staccato.
Don't distract Abhish.
Oh, where is that? There are some nice songs.
Oh, yeah.
Swadesh. ये जो देश है स्वदेश है मेरा तुझे है पुकारा. Nice, good key.
ये जो
बंधन
है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता.
फिर से, come on everybody. ये जो
देश
है
मेरा, स्वदेश है मेरा,
मुझे
है पुकारा.
ये जो बंधन है वो कभी टूट नहीं सकता.
Nice.
100 points for me.
Absolutely. Abhish gets extra 2 points.
I'm also going to do it then.
ये जो दे.
कहते हैं ओम शांति ओम.
And now let's get to an action slow-mo replay. And that to a song called Om Shanti Om.
I also liked that Tarang sang the lyrics of the कहते हैं ओम शांति. What is that? कहते हैं ओम शांति.
It's two mixed together. Yeah.
Ma'am, there. On the dance floor, they are having sex. Rani and Shah Rukh.
Also the
Ma'am remembers very clearly. Yeah?
the question gets answered very quickly. Where's the party tonight? On the dance floor. Okay.
Yeah. पर उनकी पार्टी कमरे में चल रही होगी.
It's basically some chepo guy was trying to come and say, where's the party tonight? Dance floor नहीं है, after party नहीं है. आप यहीं रहो.
Bro, अंधा है क्या?
Oh, my turn. Oh,
Yeah.
their turn. My turn.
But then it becomes vague after that. It's like, where's the party tonight? Somewhere down the road.
Can you make
Somewhere
up
down
your
the
mind?
road.
Is it on the dance floor or down the road?
Somewhere down the road.
Where is it exactly?
Yeah. Also, address. It's a wrong way of giving it. You start broader and then go narrower.
Yeah.
You don't go
have
narrow
to-
on the dance floor.
Fourth verse should be
Yeah.
where's the
Exactly.
party tonight? 18 Anubandh apartments.
Inconvenient bandra.
The charity.
Only at parties. All right. Let's buy it right. Abhish, we'll do one more each. This has been going on for a while. Abhish.
तू है मेरी किरण.
That's the one you started.
Call back.
Abhish.
हाँ. तुमसे मिलके मुझको है तो यार क्या करे.
I mean,
तुमसे
you are right. I have to give it to you. You are
मिलके
right. You are right.
यार क्या करे.
Everybody, तुमसे मिलके दिल का
क्या
कहे हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे. Dum tara dum tara dum tara dum tara dum ba dum tara dum tara dum tara dum tara dum tara dum. No, but wait, it has to be also.
Excuse me, that's
तुमको पूजा है तुम्हारी इबादत की है हमने जब की है
Anta X.
Iksh.
Okay, alright.
Anta X Baba ho, Anta X Baba do. Anta X R.
I get it, yeah.
So yes, I've given my Shah Rukh song. It's
Cool,
your turn.
very cool. Sir?
क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है
तुम
पास आओ
क्यों मुस्कुराओ तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाओ very good. Okay, let's do one more. We just get done with that song. He has a cameo in the song, but you guys have no idea. It's okay.
This next song is a song Shah Rukh performed in. It's called Dance of Envy. I would like to dance it for you.
Yes.
What? Yeah, it's a song, Dance of Envy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But those steps are from Darda Disco, no?
Yes.
Okay, cool. That was the end of this.
Wow, we
this round.
survived, bro.
Very well done. Both, all of you guys. Very cool. That was very fun. That was by far one of the most fun name game rounds we've ever had, without a doubt. But, so everyone gets 5 points. Now we go on to the advanced part of the name game, which is for 10 points. This is now situation based.
Oh, no.
You understand what I mean? Give me movies with 2 heroes, 2 hero films. Name 2 hero films.
War. War.
What did you say? No.
War.
2 hero films. War. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Gunde. Recycle, reuse, reinvent.
Ma'am. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Back to Avish. Yeah.
Sholay.
What's that?
Jo jeeta wo Sikandar.
That's the cycle movie.
That was the
Yes,
cycle.
nice.
I thought about it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the thing is, Salman is a supporting actor. It has to be 2 hero films. I know, like, I was expecting that to happen, and then I will tell you. So, ma'am, I will give you another 10 seconds. Enough. There are plenty. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough.
Totally worth the wait.
Avish.
जाने भी दो यारों.
Yeah, absolutely right. See, nobody knows the movie.
Can it be up to 2 heroes?
No, like 2 or more.
2 or more?
Yeah.
Two or more.
Sorry, yes, 2 or more.
Oh,
I should have mentioned that.
Welcome.
My
That
bad.
changes nothing for me.
welcome. 2 or
Yeah,
more.
sure. Yeah, it's an ensemble. Yeah, fair enough. I'll give you that. Abhish is done, no?
ऐसा तो
Andar Mama, absolutely yes. Abhish again.
How dare you? I mean, ऐसा अगर कर सकते हैं तो फिर भाई जानी दुश्मन all time ensemble cast double hero.
Yeah, like 15 heroes, dude. Nice.
Alright.
Tarang.
Hera Fairy. 3 people.
Yeah, correct. You're right. I thought you were saying.
No, that I'll get to in the next one.
Of course. So,
No. Last episode you corrected me.
what?
It's not Hera Fairy 2, it's फिर से Hera Fairy. फिर Hera Fairy. Say.
Wow.
फिर
big-
है ना? You told
right.
me.
You're absolutely
You
right.
put it as a reel.
You're absolutely right.
I didn't accept it because I was like इसमें मैं बुरा लग रहा. But
Alright,
yeah,
bro.
I did. फिर Hera Fairy. Correct. Boom.
Dhamal.
Dhamal 2.
Yeah.
Hey, once again, you have conveniently messed up the order.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you went first, Tarang. It's your turn.
okay,
now.
okay.
Excuse me. Take 2.
Just-
Excuse me.
Okay.
You messed up the order.
Okay, let's correct it. Abhi say Dhamal 2 first. He can say Dhamal, and then we can continue.
Yeah.
Fine. Dhamal 2.
That reminds me, Dhamal.
Very well done. Sanskar. What else? Okay, we'll do one more each. This is going very well. Abhish, one more each and we get it.
That Shah Rukh song, no? that you sang.
I don't know why my brain is stuck at Bunty and Bubbly. Even though Amitabh Bachchan comes in later, for me, it's still two heroes. Because what is a hero? It's a narrative of a protagonist. Doesn't need to be a gendered role. Otherwise, you could even say Lapata ladies as two heroes.
No,
so
not
what do you
heroine.
define as?
Not
No. I feel like the old nomenclature of heroine is very gender nomenclative. If you look at the book, like even when Robert McKee has written
I
about
think our
the
time is
story
up,
of
Abhish.
tried, man. I tried.
Okay, but you're actually out.
Yeah, but
5 seconds if you have.
Yeah, Bunty Bubbly or Hum Tum or.
None of them. Neither of them could count.
But there are two heroes.
I mean, again, they're not protagonists.
They are protagonists.
Who? Which? In Humtum, which?
Hum and Tum. It's us.
Okay.
Oh, you are right, bro. No, Abhish is out. That's Tarang and the audience both get 10 points each. Sorry, Abhish. But very well fought. Again, by far, one of the most fun the name game rounds we ever had. Very cool, guys. Thanks so much. Let's go. We are down to our possibly last game, if time permits, second last game.
Shit, wait, did you guys start late or what?
Sorry, yes.
I think so.
Yeah, I think maybe, I'm not remembering. It's been a while since we've been going.
At the end of round 3, Tarang is no one with 27.5.
27.5.
Abhi is at 22. There's 2 points for extra for the 2 points you get.
27.5, 22.
Whoa.
Okay, very
So
good.
it is on 15.
Whoa!
It's getting heated up, man.
Let's go to our next game, guys. Versus. How this game works is very simple. I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. You guys have to buzz in. This is again a buzz around. You have to buzz in and tell me what the song is. You don't need to ask you the question this time. You can just shout out the answer. Okay? Why the second verse, you might ask? The second verse of any song is the least heard part of that song.
Right.
Like if you listen to radio, they'll skip the second verse very often. If you listen to music yourself, you move on to after the first verse, like, haan, theek hai, ho gaya. A DJ doesn't even know a second verse exists. So that's where the second verse of the song comes in. I'll read out the lyrics.
Bro, trust me, you hit me with the first verse also, I'll give you the same answer.
You tell us the chorus.
Even then, we will be like.
What song is this? Darde Disco is.
What song?
Alright, cool. So easy enough. Let's go.
Yeah.
The first song is the lyrics of the first song are as follows.
Yeah.
You can change the buzzer, you can keep the buzzer the same, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay. The lyrics of the second verse of this first song are as follows. आओ मिल जाए हम यूं कि फिर ना हो जुदा. Never gonna let you go, girl. Never gonna let you go. No, no, no. ना हो कोई फासले, ना हो दूरियां. Never gonna let you go, girl. Never gonna let you go. No, 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 no. Yes, sir.
Never gonna get a
No, sorry, buddy. I like your R's getting lesser every time.
It's on you now. You can do this.
Never gonna let you go, girl.
Yes, you got it.
I'll
I'll read it again.
so good.
Wait, you got it. Okay. Thank God you got it wrong. No, you got it wrong again. Thank you. So you can't take a guess, Abhish, now till the hints round because you've already taken one. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Bluff Master?
Yes, which song? आओ
that
मिल
song?
जाए हम यूं कि फिर ना हो जुदा. Never gonna let you go, girl.
ओ मिल जाए हम यूं फिर ना हो जुदा.
Never gonna let you go, girl.
Ah,
Never gonna let you go. No, no,
Little
no,
creepy, I think,
no, no. ना हो कोई फासले, ना हो दूरियां. Never gonna let you go, girl.
Unless you want to go.
Never gonna let you go.
Correct.
I'll respect your wishes
No,
then.
no.
2025.
Come on. And then what comes? What are the next lines?
come to me. भूल जाए.
Yes, that's fair. Totally fair. Come to me is the
Yeah,
alternative.
nice.
I would also have accepted right here, right now. Hey, Kushi.
Right here, right now, yeah.
But fair, totally fair.
Alright.
Abhish gets, Tarang gets full 5 there. Very good.
I love that rap. Yeah.
Very good. Have you guys both seen the movie? Both seen Buffmaster?
Yeah, it's an incredible
Great
film. I
movie.
love
Great
it.
movie.
What happens in it?
He bluffs people.
and he's a master of it.
Bluffing.
Nice, dude.
But at the end, he gets bluffed, which is happening, and then he realizes how he shouldn't bluff. Then announcement for part 2.
Yeah.
I think you saw a poker game.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I really like this song. I've heard the hip hop mix of that song also, where Abhishek Bachchan does some weird stuff at the end also. Hey, to a player with HD, you play speed.
Yeah, isn't that the only version?
That's the only one. That is the only one. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, that's the only one. Then
Yeah.
I've heard the only
Yes,
version.
that's
You heard a part of the song which had hip hop in it.
All right. Cool. That was 5 for Tarang. Let's go to the next one. It's late at night. I'm still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take.
This is Antariksh's
I-
text.
It's late at night. I'm still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take. I got my eyes closed. Never pray. Now I know that's one big mistake. Yes, that's it. If you don't get it, I can read, but no, I would like
It's a
not to.
Bollywood song?
It's a Bollywood song. 100%. And the fact that you have to ask that is kind of a hint as to what song.
Oh,
it
I
is.
know.
Yes.
This movie to फिर वही होगा ना, Ticket to Hollywood.
No, it's not
No.
that song.
What?
Yeah, but no, not that song. Please don't help. Tarang, anything?
Can you repeat that?
So if you don't get it at this point, I will go half for half, which is half sing each of these lines for half the points.
I can't
Yeah, you
do-
can half sing only.
You can half sing.
Okay, but Tarang, do you? I can only half sing. Correct. Tarang, but you have any guess to throw out because there are no negative points right now.
What is the English lyric song?
It's late at night. I'm still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take. I got my eyes closed. Never pray. Now I know that's one big mistake.
So one should pray.
I think the chorus must be in Hindi. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
in a way.
No
Like
idea.
the chorus is part Hindi, part English.
Oh,
Part Hindi, part English.
Okay, cool. One second.
no, I have no idea.
Okay, so half for half then is as follows. It's late at night. I'm still wide awake.
Hey, Gara.
Half for half. Half singing these lines. What, I'm going to just sing the whole thing? Am I crazy? It's late at night.
Different
I'm
key.
still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take. I got my eyes closed.
What?
Never pray.
Oh!
Yes. Who went first? Who went first? Abish.
Is that blue song?
Yes.
का,
One Love.
मैंने देखा
Yes.
शान गा रहा है ना
Yes,
इसमें
correct.
वाह बीच में आलाप भी
Yes,
आता है ना
correct.
yes
But
that's
कौन
all.
सा गाना है?
ये words में ना
Tarak just helped you. You missed what he heard.
ये
What
कौन
he
सा
said.
गाना है?
कौन सा गाना है?
कौन सा
Okay, then.
गाना
No.
है?
He said the words.
Oh, One Love.
Yeah, so
What?
Tarang gets it. Yeah, 2.5 for Tarang, 2.5. Very cool. Very cool.
I'm noticing how I'm alley-ooping and you're
Yeah.
He just set up punchline.
I feel like your banter charities towards me only.
All right, let's go. This is very fun, guys. We go one more, a couple more at least. हर घड़ी नजर में है. Let me just tell you, you're definitely wrong. if you're guessing at
knew
हर
what you were
घड़ी,
saying.
the song you're singing is definitely not it.
Okay,
I know what everyone knows what song you're thinking of. That's not it. Let me say your guess.
Please continue.
Okay. Abhi just so happy, like, oh, I know this first
is
two
easy.
words, bro. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. Abhish, is this the song?
You got me at हर घड़ी.
हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा.
Isn't that the lyrics?
Okay.
हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं है बस में दिल ये मेरा. Then it repeats. हर
बस-
घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं है बस में दिल ये मेरा.
बस में दिल?
Yeah, it's correct. It's like it's in a car now. Not in a bus.
This is a Shivneri.
बस में दिल.
Yeah. Correct. Okay, if you can't get it, for no minus points, I will read 4 more lines also. But at this point, any guesses at all?
I give up.
I have a good guess on हर घड़ी.
Guesses, we know, Abhish, we know.
Not that one.
Okay. I will then read 4 more lines. I'll read the lines I already did and then 4 more in addition to that.
And watch us not get it then also. But go
Oh,
on.
I think you could possibly. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. It would be crazy if again I said हर घड़ी and again I was like every single time he falls for it. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं है बस में दिल ये मेरा. तू मेरी तन्हाई, तू ही मेरी महफिल है. तू मेरी बेताबी, तू ही मेरा कातिल है.
तू ही मेरी धन है, तू ही मेरी बस है.
Sorry, bro.
दिल में तू ही मेरी बस है. दिल में
Everybody!
for effort. Isn't that Tu Hi Meri?
No, you're wrong. But yeah. But see, in a way, yes, the same lyrics are repeated in every single song. So you're not that far off.
What do you
Tarang,
think?
you have anything?
Say that tu hi meri part again.
Yeah. तू मेरी तनाई, तू ही मेरी महफिल है, तू मेरी बेताबी, तू ही मेरा कातिल है.
No idea.
Okay. Should I throw it to the audience?
Yeah, please.
Throwing it to the audience.
Oh.
जा जाएगी जा मेरी आशिकी मैं
मैं
तेरी.
तेरी.
जा
जाएगी जा मेरी.
Hello, play
I just
the
remember-
lyrics.
I just remembered I forgot to half sing. Sorry guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought.
So full points for the audience.
But how does this lyric go?
Okay, it goes. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ मेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं
Oh, it
है बस
changes
मैं
here.
दिल ये मेरा.
At least
टेंग,
1
टेंग,
point.
टेंग, 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 टेंग. तू मेरी तन्हाई, तू ही मेरी महफिल है,
What?
तू मेरी बेताबी,
Say what?
तू ही मेरा कातिल
Bluff
है,
master.
तू ही मंजिल मेरी. आशिकी मैं तेरी.
Yeah.
जज जाएगी जा मेरी.
Who's your daddy now?
मैं तेरी.
I'm your
If anyone's
daddy
getting
now.
what I'm doing here,
Saying hello to my player Ritesh.
chin
Ji.
dimple. That's Upen Patel. He has the biggest chin dimple.
Oh yes, Upen Patel.
Of humanity, yes. Okay, very good. That was very good. That was full points to the
Oh, well done.
Very
But
cool.
I must say that the
Yes.
first line of what you sang sounded very similar to first line of what I sang.
Yeah.
So one would
I
say
think-
that how would you know that if I wasn't going to sing this song?
Yeah, it's a possibility. I think that's how he created the song. He started
Yeah.
singing Har Ghadi Hai, and then he went
Yeah,
into the
correct.
yeah.
Yes,
You have to make a new song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, exactly. The problem is that these are lyrics of the second verse, and your song starts with Har Ghadi Badal Rahi.
Hello, it doesn't start with Har Gadi.
It starts with.
Those are all lyrics. They wrote TNG, TUNG,
Alright. Cool, let's go. Next one. मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. सपना मेरा सपना तू ही अरमान है मेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी ओ रानी, लिख दे प्रेम कहानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी ओ जानी, कर दे प्रेम दीवानी.
It inspires me to a lot of like कर तुम आशिकी तन मेरी कर कर जानेगी मांगे.
We just
Sing
had
out
that.
lyrics.
Wow.
It'll be like that only.
Wow, I think, yeah, you think I would repeat the question right after that?
Oh, was the previous song?
That was just we just sang the entire song.
Why would you do it again, man?
Yeah,
Please
maybe it's
continue.
like, yeah, Antriksh is lazy, dude.
Or I forgot the previous song. Is the previous song you were singing?
We
was
just
this
sang this whole song.
I was like, I know which song you were singing.
Aashiki mein teri.
Okay, please continue. Tarang has a good chance on this. I believe in him.
Yeah.
Alright.
Correct.
Should I read the lyrics
Yeah,
again?
please do it.
मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. सपना मेरा सपना तू ही अरमान है मेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी ओ रानी, लिख दे प्रेम कहानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी ओ जानी, कर दे प्रेम दीवानी.
Oh, जाने जाना ढूंढे
Sorry,
तुझे
buddy.
दीवाना. No.
Sorry, buddy. I'll go half for half.
Okay.
Half sing lines. So
Yeah.
both of you are again can take a guess
Alright.
again. Okay. ओ मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. सपना मेरा सपना तू ही अरमान है मेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी ओ रानी, लिख दे प्रेम कहानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी ओ जानी, कर दे प्रेम दीवानी.
From this, it sounds like there are at least 7 people involved in singing this song.
Oh, someone clears their throat also during the song is nice, dude.
But that's what a great impression that is.
Yeah.
You don't even know the singer. though.
I feel like this is in Laksh. right? No.
Are you mad? He's so stupid. No, he's not getting anything only.
Because they have the duet song there. In Laksh, there is a duet song. no?
But there are duets in every. What?
That's
That's
when
the only duet that exists. Or
Yeah.
that's the only duet. No, that's not it. But if you guys want to take a wild guess, also you can. There are no negative points.
I think we both took 2 wild guesses.
think-
Oh, you did?
I can take another wild guess if you
You
want.
can- I don't think you're gonna get it.
Ye to aasiki
He just sang it, man.
Man, Abhish, that's the third time tonight.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Okay, we just throw to the audience. Yeah. The song is Dil Mangda, Dil Mangda, Dil Mangda, Dildar Soniye, Tu Aanta Soniye, Aanta Soniye.
That
Aanta-
Aanja Soniye I've heard.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
I would have
Chorus
been here for the next year paying rent, still wouldn't have gotten this song.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
But you've heard the song, right?
yeah,
Aanja Soniye on very dance floors.
So how it goes is मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. So like अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी हो जानी, लिख दे प्रेम, कर दे प्रेम दीवानी हो जानी, कर दे प्रेम दीवानी. प्यार दे कर ले कर ले कर ले कर ले प्यार दे कर ले करा सोनिए तू आंधा सोनिए आंधा सोनिए आंधा सोनिए.
Sounds like a lot of people are pushing him. प्यार मेरा
Last.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're killing it so far, huh? Just
Yeah.
letting you know.
Very good.
Yeah.
What an episode up till now.
Thanks.
Amazing.
High scores, highest.
Yeah. The last one in this game we will do is as follows. तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता. तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता. इश्क में हर पल मज़ा है इश्क धड़कन का नशा है.
इश्क में हर पल मजा है, इश्क धड़कन का नशा है.
Hello! This randomly you're just saying
इश्क
everything.
इश्क भी तो दिया है. कैसे कैसे ऐसे कैसे कैसे कैसों को.
Man, everyone thought you had gotten it, right? Everyone thought you had gotten it.
Yeah, even I thought you got
कैसे
it.
कैसे को कैसे कैसों को
खो दिया है ऐसे वैसों को.
It's a
Yeah.
Go
But I
back.
can't remember the.
Okay, I'll read the lyrics again. तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता. So that repeats and then after that it is
Oh, lift करा दे.
oh
That's
no
what you-
what we got what you were saying but you were wrong dude.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then why are they going back and forth and?
No because the tune you had somehow gotten was kind of
That's what I was
in the
saying.
realm.
Generically just
Yes.
saying stuff, okay?
Correct. It was a whole har ghadi happened.
Are we
Absolutely.
separated at birth?
Okay. So the last
Second verse,
the
yeah.
last 4 lines again are as follows, which is इश्क में हर पल मजा है.
इश्क में हर पल मजा है, इश्क में है तूफान,
Yes.
इश्क में है बड़बड़ा है, इश्क में है वादा, इश्क में है वादा,
आओगे
इश्क में है वादा,
इश्क की दुनिया है।
इश्क में है
देखो मेरा ये गाना है इश्क में कैसे. हाय.
इश्क में जबरदा एतकार क्या कहे
मैं हूँ ना.
Same lyrics again.
बड़ा
It's a different song.
Then why were you uploading on that?
They keep cheering our wrong guesses.
Inflated ego. Okay, so
You're wrong.
did I sing the same song?
Different one.
Both of you were wrong.
Different, no. At least that
I'll go
one.
half for half now, guys. Okay, half for half. For these lyrics are as follows.
Yeah.
तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता. Nice. बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो.
खता.
थैंक यू. तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता. यस. बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता. इश्क में हर पल मजा है इश्क धड़कन का नशा है, इश्क की गलियों में आके घूम.
ओ झूम बराबर झूम.
You guys are wild, dude.
They were right about the audience beating us.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so close no matter how far. Yes.
I feel like I was onto something.
I mean, if not Zoom, it could be some other word.
Doom barabar doom. Doom bachale.
Once more, come on, you people.
Doom bachale.
Doom masale, doom masale, doom masale.
Doom.
I know. I'm just whatever works, man. In the moment, it's all good.
This
But
is
yes,
Aishwarya.
the first Doom ka song.
Aishwarya. Oh, first.
No, this is the Isha
Tata
Deol.
Young.
Yeah, Isha Deol. All right, cool.
Yeah.
That was the end of the greatest versus we ever had. Very cool, man. First, I must say, what a matchup. Tarang, Abhish, unimaginable.
Yeah. Best of the best.
Yeah.
I like that Abhish took one line of lyric and made it the entire song. It's great, dude.
Ishq mein. By the way, in the previous one, when you said Tanha, I'm like Tanha. I'm like Abhish, hold your horses.
It's either that or Tanhai.
Tanhai.
That's the only two.
Second song.
Second one.
We have one more game after this. Woo, yes! So we'll quickly get to the scores and then do one more quick game.
Okay.
Where are we with the scores, sir?
If it wasn't for Abhish's last 2.5, we would have been behind the audience. Currently, he's on 24.5.
My math score in boards.
The audience was 22.5 and Tarang is leading with 35.
Whoa! So 24.5, 22.5 audience, and 35 Tarang. Okay, very good.
I'll just like to remind that half of my points are coming from that source only, which is the audience. So,
All
yeah.
good, man. The last game we're going to be playing is called Bolly Jasoos. Bolly Jasoos. How this game works is there is a movie in my head. The two of you have a combined 11 questions to determine what the movie is.
Okay.
Okay, these are 11 yes or no questions. So this is basically the game 21 questions, but 11 questions, and you're guessing for what the movie is. There are categories in which you will be guessing, so I'll reveal the categories to you. And whichever categories you choose to guess from, I will give you certain things to start off with so that you guys have something to frame your questions around. Okay? You understand what I mean? Let's go.
Are we together in this? Or
You guys are a team till you answer.
Okay.
You're a team because you have combined 11 questions.
Then we betray.
But exactly, whoever gets the final answer, whoever says the final answer and gets it right is gonna take home all the points.
Okay.
Also, each more question you ask me, there are 10 total points to be won, but each more question you ask me minuses 1 point that you can win in this game.
Okay.
You
Understand
lost
what
me at math, man.
So you can get 10 points full.
No,
okay?
I'm on you, the game.
You get
We'll
it.
do math, don't worry.
Yeah, that's fine. The best way to understand these games is just to play them.
Yeah.
Yes, let's go. These are the categories. You guys have to choose one. Which category would you like to choose? Would you like to guess a movie from? The first category is no! Movies where the hero or the heroine dies. The next one is 70 Minute. These are sports films. Next one is movies with stand-up comedians. Movies that feature an Indian stand-up comedian or more. The next one is Are To Phir Se? Movies with double roles. And the last one is Kitne Aadmi The? Movies where multiple guys are after one woman's affections.
I think if we go for comedians, I feel.
Tara, can you speak into the mic?
If we go for comedians, we might be able to guess more. I feel.
Bro, all of them are goal under for me. Which one would you like to go for?
Either sports films or comedians. You choose.
I'll go for some sports film because I've seen Chak De.
Okay.
All right, sports films it is.
Yeah.
I will tell you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Before we start out.
Let's do it.
Before we start out, I will tell you that this movie that you're going to be guessing, released in the 2010s, that is between the year 2010 and 2020. So that decade it released in. I will also tell you this movie is rated 8.3 on IMDb.
Good movie.
Okay, so you know what caliber of film you're guessing. So 8.3 on IMDb, it is a sports film,
Okay.
and it is released in the 2010s. You guys can
Nice.
go ahead with your questions.
You tell me the name of the movie?
Yeah, in a bit.
Yes or no questions, right?
Yes or no question, yes.
Okay. Is this about cricket?
That's a good question, but it's not about cricket.
Okay.
It's a good one that eliminates a lot of movies. Yeah, fair
Yeah.
enough. Totally.
It eliminated
Two
Only
movies.
one movie by 83. Okay. Is
You guys can
this-
discuss. Please discuss also what question you should ask.
I think we
Talk,
should-
yeah, speak out loud. Like, think out loud.
I think we should.
I think-
You asked one, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think we should ask him? Is this about? Does it have Shah Rukh Khan? Should we ask?
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan is in a lot of sports movies.
Yeah, is it? I know one only one. I feel we might be losing our question. Okay, so not about cricket. Okay. Is it about women in sports?
It is
Oh.
about women
It
in
might
sports.
be what we're thinking actually.
Oh yeah, is it? Let's probe him a little bit.
Okay. Is it about hockey?
No, it's not about hockey.
Bro, that's India. The only movie I know. Thank you for clarifying.
You know, you could have just, instead of asking us about hockey, you could have just asked him to chuck de.
Yeah.
Got done with that.
Women in.
Women in sport, non-cricket, non-chakde movie.
Oh, does it have Amir Khan in it?
It does have
Yes.
Amir Khan in this.
I know the.
Tell me.
It's a wrestling,
Tell me.
It's a wrestling movie, man.
Oh, is it Dangal?
Hey, that's the guy! But Abhish gets 7 points there. Sorry, Tarak.
We're not splitting points.
No, you're not fitting. The win-
Come on, man. I
You're a
laid it
team
up
till
for
you answer. You're a team till you answer. That was awesome.
Thank
Let's
you
do
for
one
the
more quick
assist.
one. That's 7 points for Abhish, alright?
Yeah, don't
Let's do
forget.
one more quick one. One more category you guys choose. Which one would I go with?
अरे तू फिर से?
You don't want to move it, stand moving. Oh, whichever. Yeah, it's fine. Arre tu fir se. Never doubt yourself.
अरे तू फिर से?
Okay, are you sure?
Bro,
Stand-up comedy will be fun, I think. It will be
Okay,
fun.
stand-up comedians.
You'll just have a good,
Yeah,
good
let's
time, I
do it,
think.
yeah.
Guessing it. Okay, movies and stand-up comedians. I'll tell you that this movie.
How many comedians are there, man?
Man, lots of small featuring has happened. Lots of multi-flops have happened. Big comics, small roles.
All right, this
Big
movie.
flops.
This movie again released in the 2010s, between 2010 and 2020.
Okay.
It's rated 6.1 on IMDb,
Okay.
and you know it features a stand-up comedian in the
Okay.
movie, an Indian stand-up comedian in the movie. So
Is-
again, 6.1 on IMDb, 2010s, and an Indian stand-up comedian.
Is the comedian Veer Das?
No, it's not. That's a good question. Eliminates a lot of movies.
Yeah.
Is the comedian Abhish Mathew?
It is.
What? One second. This is not fair.
All right, Sandra, take home the boys. Is it a movie
Yes.
that has lots of great old songs being repeated and covered?
Oh yes. Yeah.
All right, nice. Is this a movie?
You're just wasting your own points, by the way.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh,
You're wasting your own.
oh, I didn't realize.
Imagine if we asked like 10 more questions. Bro, you're out of questions.
Is this movie?
Son of Abhish.
Meri Pyari Bindu.
मेरे प्यारे बिंदु और मेरे प्यारे बिंदु.
And the Oscar goes to for my 5-second feature. Can you call it featuring or will you call it sidecast?
Either way, you featured in the movie, man.
I was the leading comedian in the
Yes,
set.
absolutely. Yeah.
I made everyone laugh.
It's what Harsh Gujral does nowadays.
He's done movie now.
You know, Harsh Gujral is in Tu Jhooti Mein Makkar. No, not that one. The
Bassi,
Bassi movie. That was
Bassi is in it, yeah.
Harsh Gujral is also in a movie, yaar. Yeah, which one was that? कीर्ति मेरे हस्बैंड की बीवी और मेरे हस्बैंड की दुल्हन yeah some shitty movie Arjun Kapoor मेरे husband की बीवी yes correct alright cool that was well done guys very cool that is a full 8 points for Abhish Mathew again
Thank you. Thank you for saving me to make it 2 points.
and that brings us to the end of an epic episode of That Film Game Show fucking awesome so good alright
Yeah.
cool guys big scores
Big scores.
okay the biggest
Biggest.
so big oh my god it's the biggest you would have ever seen in the world it's not that high score actually
Okay, before you give this,
as episodes go it's a low score
could you tell me the highest so that our
yeah for sure that's a good one the highest I think we've gone up to like 110
110.
130 is what I'm being told. Pulkit scored 130. Pulkit Kochar.
Yeah, he is a professional.
That's fine. Take it. So coming in third place with 22.5 points, the audience. Very cool. Very well done. What a fun audience. What an awesome audience. Now, guys, what are we thinking? What are we thinking?
Tak tak.
Chak de.
The quiz is over, Abhish.
Chak de in my head.
All right.
Yeah.
Coming in second place with 35 points. Tarang Hardikar! And being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah with 39.5 points, Abhish Mathew! Abhish, acceptance speech. Acceptance speech.
Wow.
Great. The greatest acceptance speech in history, guys. Fucking awesome. Abhish, very cool. Very well done. Huge round of applause. Abhish, thank you so much. Thank you for doing this. Very cool.
I would like to give the award to the winner of the game.
Again, she helped you with one question, Abhish. You did it yourself, Abhish.
Believe
Thank
in
you
yourself,
did it.
man. Yeah.
So good. Man, I just realized if she hadn't helped, it would be tied. The score would have been tied. 32 5. That's crazy.
You don't realize that she not just helped me in giving the right answer,
Yeah.
but when I looked at her, she said no. Same like you had, I had like, I looked at her, she said, whatever you're thinking is wrong.
Guys, epic episode. Thank you so much for doing this. Fucking amazing. You guys have been an amazing, fantastic audience. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Any plugs before we end, guys? Anything to plug? Anything to promote? And what are you guys doing? What's been up? Any projects? Please follow them on Instagram. Please follow them both on Instagram and YouTube. They are constantly doing live shows.
Yes.
I think they're both touring currently as well.
Yeah, I will
yeah.
tour in a month.
Yes.
Please come.
Yeah. Abhish is in a Eugene Levy show.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, how did that come about? How did that happen?
It was really fun. They reached, I think they were planning on doing India as an episode and they were reaching out to a lot of comics and I think
You're like his friend,
his
associate
friend of the show,
thing.
known
Yeah,
of the
correct.
thing.
Yeah.
So,
That's
given we agreed I was inexpensive and they were like, chalega sasta tikao, English bolta hai, chalega.
Oh, I'm sorry, when's the release?
It's supposed to be October.
October. Yeah. I think this episode will come out by then only.
फिर तो बहुत बजे के यार, दोस्त बन गए यार, बहुत बजे के.
Very vague.
But yeah, I mean,
Very
I'm
cool.
really fortunate with that opportunity. I just
amazing,
hope the edit comes out. I mean, I'm very confident the edit's gonna come out well. But
Dude,
you know.
it already, like, your trailer looks fucking epic. Like, actually, have fun, man. Very
Also very, very calm, nice gentleman.
Really?
Very fun, very funny. Witty.
Dude, again, if you guys don't know, he's like an improv legend. Eugene Levy from Second City, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yep.
Second City, Toronto, if I'm again not wrong.
Yeah,
from
Second
Canada.
City, Toronto as well.
Yeah.
Original was in Chicago, but
Chicago.
one cool thing he gave, and if you're filmmakers here, a bunch of films that he directed and acted in with his friend were all mostly improvised. Like they would come with the skeleton and
That's
then they would write it there instead of pre-writing everything and delivering, and that's how he was able to build a genre of films that associated with him.
That's crazy, dude.
Sounds
So
pretty
you're
good.
saying American Pie was improvised?
The
Oh,
other
the American
film that
Pie
he
too?
produced.
Fucking awesome, Abhish.
Thank you.
Huge congrats again. You
that
won
doesn't
this.
give me as much
Very
joy
good.
as being
Yeah, dude. The biggest.
Biggest
Bollywood.
the biggest Bollywood badass.
You can
Badshah.
now
Badshah.
biggest Bollywood badass.
You
I
can-
think we should change it to badass actually.
Yeah.
The bads of Bollywood is a show that's coming out soon.
Now you can go sniff whoever you want.
Awesome guys, thank you so much. See you again next week. Check out everything I'm doing. Pop Conversation, Spender Bender, some few shows, Crickheads. Check out. Alright, bye bye. See you.
Bye. We would like to end with our Shah Rukh Khan song together, Harmonies.
Yeah,
Chak De India.
Chak De
Okay.
India.
Who is the most famous celebrity or personality that you ever met? Oh. Oh, okay. people in the audience are like, you know, he mentioned celebrity. Nice, and now you have Abhish Mathew also. Very cool. Nice. All of you have met Abhish Mathew now and clicked a photo with him.
So go chronological, go alphabetical, go for like, you gotta start with like Abhish, Karanish,
Yeah.
Tarang.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, if you go, you can start with T also.
Who's the most famous person you met? You met her. That's awesome. A concert?
This was way before, I think, when Passion had just released.
Marjawa. Is that her? That's her, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
At that time, I met her at the theatre.
At a theater. You just ran into her?
You were there for the screening?
No, no, no.
No, she's a practitioner of fashion.
Okay.
She's really up in it. Yeah, sorry.
It goes to show her persistence. She
Yeah.
said no, but she still stayed.
Yeah, and she
Until she said yes,
Yeah,
fine.
you are.
I
It
am.
wasn't even Sunidhi. She's convinced this person, this stranger. You know you are Sunidhi Chauhan. You take a photo with me now. So funny. Took an autograph. Oh, that's the old school way.
Old
dude.
school.
Nice, nice.
Old school.
Nice.
Take it to the bank and see if
Yeah.
it works.
Right. Made out to Manali. No, Manali. What's your name again? Shravya. Made out to Shravya 1 lakh rupees in the name of.
Excuse me. If
Sorry,
you get
5
an
lakhs.
opportunity for a
Yes.
blank check, 1 lakh में तो GST में नहीं निकलता है. क्या थोड़ा
I know.
ऊपर 10
Yeah,
lakh
correct.
plus 18% GST.
No, I'm just assuming how much money Sunidhi Chauhan has. Guys, today is in fact a very special episode because we have some very cool things planned in between games. Okay,
Oh.
what we're gonna do, the three of us together, is an improv scene right now.
Whoa.
Okay, Salman Khan, played by Tarang Hardikar,
Defined by the body.
and Saif Ali Khan, played by Abhish Mathew.
Defined by the guitar player.
The both of them meet for a rehearsal. But neither of them has read the script, but they don't want to tell the other person. Okay?
Nice.
Let's go.
Okay,
Start.
do it here?
No, do it sitting.
Oh,
That's-
okay.
Starting now in 3, 2.
तो बोलना क्या करना है?
वाह भाई मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है भाई ये सब थोड़ा
अरे
वर्नाक्युलर में लिखा
सेफ यार, तुझे ऐसे वर्ड्स कौन सिखा रहा है? अरे सेफ यार, आई जस्ट थिंक मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि चालू तो करते, तू कर ले चल.
Nice.
ठीक है
हाँ.
मेरा डायलॉग लिखा है वाओ आपका डायलॉग
हाँ. एंट्री
Bye.
आपका डायलॉग.
Yeah.
वाओ
सलमान
Entry again.
एंट्री. आपका डायलॉग.
नहीं
सलमान shows expression.
Just then Farah Khan enters. Hey, तुम दोनों क्या यार, तुम दोनों? क्या
वाओ
सैफू, सलमान यार, तुम दोनों
अरे फराह
स्क्रिप्ट पढ़
दीदी.
के नहीं आते हो तो ऐसा कैसा चलेगा?
फराह दीदी, just let us do it यार.
ए दीदी घर पे भी गई
And scene! Hey, दीदी घर पे होगी.
Alright, cool.
That is a very good impression of Farah Khan.
Oh, thank you, man. I've been practicing for the last week. I haven't.
Oh, it's spectacular.
Thank you, man. Thank you.